Every time you load a web page, TCP makes sure every single byte arrives in perfect order. Every time you hop on a Discord call, UDP throws your voice across the internet and prays it gets there. Same internet. Two completely different philosophies. After this video, you'll know exactly when to use which, why gaming uses one and banking uses the other, and the protocol that's quietly replacing both. 3 minutes. TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. Think registered mail. Before any data moves, TCP does a three-way handshake. Your computer sends a sync request. The server responds, confirming it's ready. Your computer acknowledges, and now the connection is open. 3 packets just to say hello. Only then does actual data flow, and every packet gets tracked. If packet 47 out of 200 goes missing, TCP notices, stops everything, and resends it. Your data arrives complete, in order, every time. But all that checking costs you speed. Every confirmation adds latency. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. Think someone throwing newspapers from a moving car. No handshake, no confirmation, no checking if you got it. Your computer fires packets and moves on. Packet lost? Too bad. Packet arrived out of order? Not UDP's problem. That sounds broken. It's not. It's a feature. Here's why both exist. Loading a bank website? You need every byte correct. One missing packet in a financial transaction and the whole thing fails. Start over. That's what TCP prevents. Playing Valorant online? The server sends you 128 position updates every single second. If one of those updates arrives 200 milliseconds late, it's useless. You've already moved. The game doesn't wait. It just drops that packet and sends the next one. That's UDP. The real-world split. Web browsing, email, SSH, and file transfers all use TCP. DNS lookups, video streaming, voice calls, online gaming, and VPN tunnels all use UDP. But here's what most explanations leave out. The line between these two is disappearing. QUIC. That's the protocol Google built that now powers HTTP3, and it runs on top of UDP. YouTube, Google, Cloudflare. They're all serving web traffic over UDP now. The old internet needed TCP to guarantee reliability. QUIC just builds that reliability into UDP itself. Think of it like this. TCP is a paved highway with toll booths at every exit. QUIC skips the toll booths, but still gets you to the right destination because it built its own GPS. Over half the traffic to Google's servers already runs on QUIC, so which one wins? Neither. TCP is the accountant. Slow, methodical, nothing gets lost. UDP is the street courier. Fast, no paperwork, some packages hit the ground. And QUIC is the courier who taught himself accounting. Master the OS both of these protocols run on. linuxdojo.io. Link below. Like if networking finally clicks. Peace.